Hello and welcome to a new product from the Greatest Friend on Earth release from Trinity Stamps. Here's a look at the First Bloom stamps and coordinating dies. First Bloom is a 4x6 stamp set that includes 8 different stamps to mix and match to create a beautiful flora scene for your project. All the stamps can be combined or used individually as the possibilities are endless. The coordinating die set perfectly die cuts the images in the 4x6 stamp set. Here's an example and more examples from our design team. As you can see, this stamp set is versatile and can be used in lots of different settings and styles. I hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the First Bloom stamp set, and be sure to check out all of the other new products coming out in the Greatest Friend on Earth release, available April 30th, 2021.